Hello everyone, I'm Caleb with Danzy Design Build, and today I wanted to show you how we made this Hobbit house door. So let's just jump right in here. All right, so the door is hooked on to a metal frame. And you'll notice that over here on the side, we've got these two main members. These are 1.5" tube steel that are welded onto this custom bracket and then over onto like a gate hinge. So these are rated for like 9,000 pounds, I believe. And they're really gonna hold all the weight that we could possibly throw at this Hobbit door. And behind those, we've got it welded onto like another bracket that's connected onto a 3-inch square tube. And that is 1/4" steel, 3x3 post. And we've got that rooted and secured down into a concrete foundation footing thing that's 3 feet wide in a circle and then 4 feet deep. So that 3x3 post continues down to the full depth below the actual concrete. Then at the top here, we've got this bolted onto another 3x3 post that goes horizontal, and then same thing as the other side, bolted on again to another column, and then that goes all the way down into another footing that's identical to the one on the other side. So the actual door is partially finished here. We've got this 1/4" tube steel, like I was saying, and then we have this other one here, sorry, 1.5" tube steel, 1.5" tube steel again, and then that's bent into a perfect circle, and then we've got another 3" by 1/4" flat bar on the outside. And so that leaves us with a 3/4" space on either side of that 1.5" tube to put our 3/4" alder, which is the hardwood that we're using on this project. So we wanted to have a knotty alder to kind of give it a little bit more of a rustic look. And then these are attached with these screws into the actual steel. So we drill a pilot hole, countersink that, and then have this self-tapping screw that goes all the way in and finishes off. And I really like these because they have like a Torx head to them, and so they really look kind of cool. And we painted those black as well, so they're not going to rust, and they're going to give it a good, cool looking hardware. So for the actual doorknob, we have this little box here, and we've got some awesome hardware from M-Tech that's going to allow us to mount that doorknob onto this 3-inch thick door slab. So that's basically welded in there. And then on this side is where the other hardware is going to attach on the outside. So that's how the actual door is working. And then we've also sent this to the powder coater so that this will be, or it is powder coated right now, all ready to go. So we shouldn't have any rust issues. So if you'd like to see more about how this door works with its door jamb, watch the next video here.